Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the VLOOKUP function on Microsoft Excel. So stick by till the end of this video. So where this function mainly helps you is if you have a large stack of data and you need to specifically pinpoint some data from that entire sheet. So this is our test data. These are items at a grocery store. So I am going to write the parameters that you need to write in order to locate that specific item. So for a VLOOKUP function, you need to take in account the leftmost column as you will input the value of the leftmost column in your parameter. And you need to make sure that the leftmost values are in ascending order so the VLOOKUP function can properly work. So this is the following parameter. You start by writing an equals to button and you write VLOOKUP. As you can see, it's popping up right here and it's actually defining the VLOOKUP function for you. So what you need to now do is add a bracket. It's giving you the entire parameter right here, but I'll input the values for you. Now let's say I take 10131 from the order serial column. I'll input 10131. Now it's asking me to choose the tables from which I need the corresponding value from. Let's say I take all four of the columns here. I take the entire table. It will input values from A1 till D6 since that's where the table is ending here. Now, it will tell me to specify from which column do I need the corresponding value from. Now let's say I want to know what the item corresponding to the order serial is. So I'll write 2 since its corresponding value is in the second column. I will input a comma again, and you need to make sure that your parameters are correct, otherwise an NA error could show up. Now it gives you two options to write here. One is false and one is true. False gives you the exact match of a product and true gives you the approximate match of a product. And in most cases false is used since you would need the exact match, and if you don't input this correctly it could give you unexpected values. So I will add false right here and I'll close the bracket. Now simply all you need to do is press on enter, and as you can see it's given me the data potato. As you can see, potato was in the second column corresponding with 10131. That's how you simply use the VLOOKUP function. I hope you were able to understand the tutorial. Subscribe for more.